Are you ready to dive deep into the world of one of the coolest sea creatures, the stingray? So grab your snorkels, put on your thinking caps, and let's begin our underwater adventure quiz. Let's get started. Manta ray. Say manta ray. Butterfly ray. Say butterfly ray. Six-gill stingray. Say six-gill stingray. Leopard ray. Say leopard ray. Atlantic stingray. Say Atlantic stingray. Blue spotted stingray. Say blue spotted stingray. Tiger river stingray. Say tiger river stingray. Cownose ray. Say cownose ray. Southern stingray. Say southern stingray. Matoro stingray. Say Matoro stingray. Devil ray. Say devil ray. Spotted eagle ray. Say spotted eagle ray. Blotched fantail ray. Say blotched fantail ray. Short-tail stingray. Say short-tail stingray. Rough-tail stingray. Say rough-tail stingray. Ornate eagle ray. Say ornate eagle ray. Cowtail stingray. Say cowtail stingray. Thank you, little explorers, for being the real troopers today. We will be back with another exciting video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.